Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JP Khasi Tech. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Now let's go with the project. So first of all, let's go to the XML file and then create some object over here. So first of all, I'm gonna create the rating bar. So let me create rating bar. Height and width I'm gonna give width will be match just like 300 dp. Okay. Height I'm gonna say wrap content. It will be matched by itself. Okay, can you see here? Now just close it, but I want this object to be in a center. Just go in a linear layout. So I'm gonna say gravity in a center. Now all are in a center. Now I'm gonna say orientation I want in vertical. So whatever you will arrange here, it will come like 1 2 3 4 here, not this way, but down way. Okay, so now let's go and give the ID for this rating bar. I'm gonna say ID, and the ID I'm gonna say RATINGBR. Okay, rating bar. Now let me give. Now I need one button, so whenever the button is clicked, the value of the rating bar will be displayed on the text view. So I'm gonna give first text view, and height and weight I'm gonna give wrap content. Now I'm gonna give the text here, text. I'm gonna give like okay. Now next I'm gonna give the ID for this text view. So I'm gonna say ID, and the ID will be TV. Now let's go and give the size for the text view because it look little small. So I'm gonna give the text size as 40 sp. It's look good. Now just let's go and create the button. One button I am going to create. So I'm gonna say button. So height and weight will be wrap content, and then the text I'm gonna give here. So text will be set. Okay, or I'm gonna say like result. Okay, now I'm gonna give the text size. It's little smaller, so I'm gonna give the text size is 30 sp. Okay, and 30 sp is good, looking good. Now let me give the ID for this button. So I'm gonna say ID, and the ID will be button. Okay, button underscore result. Okay, now everything done, but I want this object to be little far from each other. So I'm gonna go with the text view first, little far from the rating bar. So I'm gonna say margin top, and I'm gonna give here 30 dp. Okay, look good. Now let me go here and then give the margin here, margin top, and I'm gonna give here 30 dp. It look good. Now whenever the user click here, you will see the result. Okay, now the coding part has been completed. I guess this one ID I have given, this ID I have given, and the ID for the result I have given. Okay, now let's go in the Java. So for the coding parts, I'm gonna go to Java. Now here in Java, just initialize the rating bar, text view, and button. So let me start with the rating bar. Private rating. Okay, first I'm gonna say now the short name I'm gonna say RT bar, which means rating bar. Okay, now close it. Now I'm gonna say initializing for the text view, and it will be TV only. Now initializing for the button, variable of the button I mean. Now I'm gonna say this is just a button, and then I'm gonna give this one as set underscore result. Now just close it. Now let's go and initialize on create method. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the rating bar. So I'm gonna take RT bar, which means rating bar equal to find view by id. I think I have mistake here. Add s in smallest letter. Okay, rt. Yeah, it's looking good. Now inside the parameter, I'm gonna say id r dot id dot, and this one was the rating bar. Okay, now everything done here. Now let's me initialize the text view. So I'm gonna take the variable, it is tv equal find view by id, and the id is inside the resources file r.id dot, and this one is tview. So I'm gonna say this is a tv shortcut id. Now next I'm gonna initialize the button. So I'm gonna take as set result is the variable. So I'm gonna take equal find view by id. So it is r.id dot, and this one was button result. Okay, now everything done. Now let's just set the on click listener for the button. Okay, now let's say take the variable of the button dot set on click listener. So inside the parameter I'm gonna give new view dot on click listener. Okay, so here I have to give curly bracket, open and close, open and close. Okay, now bring the cursor here, click alt plus and then enter. Okay, you will get this. Just okay, now this is the on click method for the button. So now whenever the user will click this button, I want to extract the value from the rating bar and then show it in the text view. So how we can do that one? Just extract the string. So I'm gonna say a string. First convert the value of the rating bar into string, then set the text on the text view. So I'm gonna say string, and it is just a string underscore value. I'm gonna say value now equal. Now equal, I'm gonna take this also as a string. This was a string. Now here I'm gonna set the value. Okay, dot value of, okay, the value of integer. So the integer I'm gonna extract from the this rating bar. So I'm gonna copy this one, or I'm gonna write here. So I'm gonna say rt bar. Okay, dot get rating. Okay, now I just extract the value from the, now close it, I just extract the value from the rating bar here. Okay, and convert it into string. Now I can use this string to put on a text view. Now do that one. Now text view dot set text, and what I want to set, I want to set the value of that text view. So I'm gonna say value of that rating bar. Okay, so I'm gonna say whatever is here, this one put in a text view now, because I convert the integer number of rating bar into string. Okay, then this string I can put here like this. So I can say str string value. Finish. Now everything done. Now let's run the project, and if it's work, I'm using Nexus 4 API level 21. You can use any as you want. Okay guys, the apps runs completely. Now let's see what happens if I will click in as result. This is our text view, this is the rating bar, and this is our result button. Now let me click. It is 0 because I have not yet selected anything here, right? So rating bar is 0, so it shows 0. Now let me select 1. Okay, now click. Can you see it is 1? Now let me click one more, and then result, it is 1.5. Now let me click here and result 2. Let me click here, it is 3. Let me click this 3.5 or 4. Let me click this, it is 4.5. Now let me click full, you are getting 5. Now let me click this half, it is 3. Now it's working perfectly guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.